Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is the men's Kiss tie. This is the a nice color red, and it's a really nice satin material. So it's very good if you want to wear it with a business suit, for a meeting, or if you want to wear it for a special occasion. I feel like this tie is just really nice, as you can see. Very elegant, very stylish. So I want to show you what this looks like put on. So you can see this is a really nice tie. It's very stylish, nice satin material, which makes it look really nice and elegant. You can wear it for a special occasion, or you can wear it for a meeting. It's very good. I really like the color as well. I think it matches with lots of shirts, so my husband likes wearing this and it's really nice. So as you can see, this tie is very beautiful. The color is beautiful, the material is great, and so I think it's been such a good buy, and I would definitely recommend it because my husband has loved using this tie, and that's my point of view.